Hey guys, so this video is a mystery to you and to me. It is an unboxing video of Few Moda. Hey guys, it is your girl Raven and I am back with another video. This one I was a little apprehensive about, but I was like, I need to try this out and let the people know what is really going on. So Few Moda popped up on my Instagram like ads. Yes, my Instagram ads. And it talked about this mystery box of $58. So Few Moda is a subscription-based company where you pay a membership of $120 a year to get deeply discounted pieces straight from the factories. They boast about 70% off of retail for a lot of their items. So they have a thing called a mystery box. You pay $58. They pick what they send you, and they send you 3 pieces that could be worth up to $320. So the catch is you just tell them your size, they pick the items, and there are no returns, no exchanges. So we're gonna see what's in this box, okay? So here it is. First impressions, I was a bit underwhelmed because I thought it was gonna be a box. I was like, ooh, like a proper box. And then it came in a bag and I was like, oh, well, we'll have to deal with this. But I have not opened it. As you can see, it has been sitting on my floor for a few days so that I could do this video. And I'm a bit nervous. I normally do not have people pick out clothes for me. I normally do not have brands just send me random clothes. So, you know, and I've spent my own coins on this. So I'm a little nervous, but we will figure out how to make this work for the wardrobe. We will. And I will say, I believe this was from their like fall 1 selection. I think that was what was on the website. Ooh, little peek. It looks really cute. Okay, so there's that. So this is kind of how it comes. Let's see what's in here. I see some velvet. Okay, I'm excited about that. This is really cute, guys. This is really cute. Okay, so this first piece, I do wish that they had some kind of descriptions on the outside of the bag. They do not. So that is that. Oh, this is cute though. It's a little romper. It's from Cara. It's like a little velvet romper stitch. A little belt. It's like a forest green velvet. She's cute. Okay. I can do this with some boots. Okay, guys. Okay, Few Moda. I have been wanting one of these skirts for a minute now. So I'm really excited that this is in here. I'm so excited about this skirt, guys. I pray that everything fits. That's another thing. They don't really have a size guide. So I pray that it fits. But I have been wanting one of these. These have been one of these, like, oops. These have been like the it girl skirt for a minute. So I'm really excited that I got sent this. You know, Jesus is on my side. Jesus is on my side, y'all. But this is super cute. The quality is really good. It's not real satin, you know, it's just not. But this one is from Court and it is 98% polyester, 2% spandex. But it's super cute. Super, super cute. I'm definitely excited for that. And this, it looks like a shirt. Let's see. I do like a good tie-dye moment. This is cute. I could wear these with the jeans I have on. There's a lot that I could do with this. And this is another Cara piece. I got everything in a size small. So I was a little wary about the extra small because I just didn't know, like, people's size would be off. So I pray that these things aren't, you know, a little too big, but they should be good. So yeah, watch. I'm very excited. I was very nervous. I was really nervous, guys. So I would definitely recommend Few Moda. The pieces are quality pieces from what I got, and they seem to be like they're gonna hold up well. So look at how I style these pieces. So I started with my layering piece, but we have this green velvet jumpsuit. It's a very like dark green, a little bit different than the green two-piece that I have. So I'm really excited about this. This is more of like a huntery kind of green, but not as like bright, if that makes sense. And then it has this belt that can cinch in the waist, honey. And this one is also dry clean only. So let's see how it fits. So fits pretty good. It has some pockets, and you know I love a good pocket. I don't know any woman who doesn't love pockets, okay? This is actually really comfortable. I know I've said that about everything, but this is actually really, really comfortable. This can be tied in the front. Okay, so this could be tied in the front. I could definitely put this in the back. Or just wear a belt with this, to be honest. I can just wear a belt with this and not have to fiddle faddle with this thing. But I could do it here if I really wanted to do it that way. I think for today, I will do it in the front. There, she's cute, she's cute, she's giving you all of the things. And there we have it. We're just going to add my bag and we're ready to go. This is super comfortable. Again, these pants are wide leg, so these boots fit perfectly under them. Adds another layer onto my legs, okay, for chillier nights and such. But this is perfect. I'm so ready. I cannot wait to wear this. This yellow tie-dye shirt from Cara. I love the feel of this. It seems so cozy. So I'm really excited to try it on. It feels great on. I wish the arms were a little bit longer. She's doing all of this. She's giving you tons and tons of wrist, honey, and that's not what she wants to do. But I do have extremely long arms, so I can't fault them for that, but I do wish the sleeves were just a tad bit longer. So, I think I will roll these up. Just a few rolls. This one is also dry clean only, which is quite a negative just because it's such a casual shirt and I kind of just want to throw this on and go and not have to worry about getting it dry cleaned. I'd rather just be able to throw this in the washing machine. But let's continue to get dressed. So for these, I'm going to throw on my bootcut jeans. I think for this, we're going to do a tie. And there we have it. But this is a great transitional shirt. I could wear this in the fall when it's still a bit warm outside with some light layers, and definitely in the spring. This is great for summer with some shorts. So this is a great piece because I can wear it in so many different seasons. So I'm going to throw on this cute jelly bag, which is great. It's tonal. It complements the look. Now I'm ready for any warm weather. Not necessarily right now, but warmer weather for sure. This skirt, again, I love this skirt. I've been wanting a midi skirt in this print leopard, something very similar for a while now. So I'm very excited to try this on. So first impressions, as we can see, this is a bit big. Okay, do we see? I could at least get a good inch maybe on each side. So maybe I should have gotten an extra small in my box. Maybe. But the hips, even with the biker shorts, fit pretty well. So I don't know if I should have gotten a extra small because I don't want it to be too tight on these hips, you know what I'm saying? A little slim thick. So probably doesn't, I can't return it. So I will be taking the waist in just a tad. The waistband does have this very thick elastic on it to kind of help cinch in the waist even more. That's not helping for me right now. This is dry clean only, okay? So clearly that's what I'm gonna have to do, or put it in one of my dry out bags. But yeah, this would have been great if it just fit me in the waist. So let's style this thing, shall we? So even though this is still a bit big in the waist, I'm going to style it with this oversized t-shirt. So I've already cuffed the sleeves, but we're gonna do a bit of a half tuck. I like to just fold up the t-shirt to where I want to tuck it and then tuck that part in halfway. It just has less things tucked into your bottoms than you need. So little half tuck. Then I'm just gonna add a cute crossbody and my oversized leather jacket. And now I'm ready to go. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please check out the link in the description box if you want to try Few Moda. They have some pieces that I'm definitely eyeing, okay? And I might see if I can finagle another mystery box, okay? I might try to do that. Not might, I probably will. So check out the mystery box. It's definitely worth it. You will get some great pieces. It is a bit of a mystery, but I'm very satisfied with the pieces that I got. So until next time, guys, be sure to watch this video that was specifically picked for you.